Hi Apple fans, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the list of iPhones that will support iOS 19. If your device is on the list, let's find out. So, Apple is known for its long-term software support, but with iOS 19, some older models might not make the cut. Here's the complete breakdown of supported devices. So, starting with the newest, all the models of the iPhone 16 series, iPhone 15, and 14 series will, of course, support iOS 19. That includes iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16, iPhone 16e, and iPhone 16 Plus, and iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pros, and Plus and 15 regular model, as well as the iPhone 14 All series. If I talk about iPhone 13 series, the iPhone 13 and 12, 13 Pro is this and 12 is this, are also safe. These models are also still powerful enough to handle iOS 19 and its new features seamlessly. So, if you have one of these, you are in luck. Good news for iPhone 11 users. There you go. The iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and Pro Max will also compatible with iOS 19, keeping you in the loop for another year. That's the winner. So, talking about iPhone SE and SE second generation and third generation lineup gets a nod too. The second and third generation iPhone SE models are included. The compact iPhone experience lives on the latest update. Now, here's the sad news. iOS 19 is expected to drop support for iPhone XR and iPhone XS and XS Max. If you are still using these, it might be time to consider an upgrade, but we don't know. Apple may roll out the iOS 19 for iPhone XRs. I know this is it doesn't looks like iPhone XR, but I have converted iPhone XR into iPhone 14 Pro as I'm using custom housing in this. You can see this is a notch screen. So that's the full list of iOS 19 supported devices. If your phone is on this list, get ready for some exciting features. And if it's not, don't worry, your device is still amazing, but it might be time to look forward. Let me know in the comments which iPhone you're using and what you are most excited about in iOS 19. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Apple updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much.